Sanbona and welcome back to Zulu Language Lessons with Zulu Mama. Today we are learning something simple but powerful. How to say my and your in isiZulu. These are called possessive pronouns and they help us describe what belongs to us or to someone else. So let's begin. For your in isiZulu we use akho, and my we use ami or wami, depending on the word. So let's start. My hand is isandla sami. Your hand is isandla sakho. Isandla sami, isandla sakho. My nose, ikhala lami. Your nose, ikhala lakho. Ikhala lami, ikhala lakho. My toe, uzwane lwami. Your toe, uzwane lwakho. Uzwane lwami, uzwane lwakho. My head, ikhanda lami. Your head, ikhanda lakho. Ikhanda lami, ikhanda lakho. My ear, indlebe yami. Your ear, indlebe yakho. Indlebe yami, indlebe yakho. My finger, umunwe wami. Your finger, umunwe wakho. Umunwe wami, umunwe wakho. My eye, ihlo lami. Your eye, ihlo lakho. Ihlo lami, ihlo lakho. My leg, umlenze wami. Your leg, umlenze wakho. Umlenze wami, umlenze wakho. You can try and restart the video and say the words after me. And well done for following through to the end of this video. Now, here's a fun exercise. Try pointing to your body parts and saying them out loud. Point to your head and say, ikhanda lami. And that is my head. Now point to your friend's head and say, ikhanda lakho. Your head. So, you see, isiZulu is about connection. We express ownership, respect, and relationship through our words. If you enjoyed today's Zulu lesson, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend learning isiZulu, and don't forget to subscribe for more Zulu lessons. Ngiyabonga. Thank you for learning with me. Until next time, nisale kahle.